Welcome in the kitchen. So glad y'all are here. Andy's over here in his window. It's going to snow here tonight. At least that's what they're telling us. So, because it's going to snow, we want something warm and cozy. So I'm going to make us some hot chocolate mix like my mama used to make. This recipe has been around, I don't even know how many years. I couldn't even tell you. But you need 4 things. You need CoffeeMate creamer, just original CoffeeMate. You need Nestle Quik. You need powdered sugar, and you need powdered milk. 4 things, that's all you need. We're going to mix this up a little bowl full here. And then we're going to make us a cup. And I'm also going to show y'all something cute you can do to add to it if you want to make it like for a little Christmas gift, a neighbor's gift, a teacher gift, whatever. I'm going to show y'all something cute you can do, make to go with it. But first, let's get our ingredients together. And I'm going to make a half a recipe because then I can come back. That doesn't look clean. I can come back and make another half a recipe. That one's got dust in it. Okay, first we need 2 cups of powdered milk. Let's see what I've got here. That's not even quite a cup. Let me open up this one. Ouch. If you don't think aluminum foil will cut you, it will. Sure will. And this I'm going to scoop right like this because I need to do it. I'm going to make a mess, y'all. You know that, right? There's one. And this is powdered whole milk. You can use non-fat. Whatever. This just happens to be what I have here. There's 2 cups of milk. Okay? I just keep whole milk in my pantry. In case I'm run out of milk and I'm cooking. It's great to cook with. And you need 1 box. This is 10 ounces. That's what I need anyway. It's this whole 10-ounce container. I will put the complete full recipe in my description box. So there's our milk. There's our Quik. And I'm going to save these 2 containers because this is what I will store mine in. Okay? My powdered milk container, it's empty, and my Quik container. I'll make great things to store it in. Oh, I got to get this open. I'll work with that in a minute. Let's go ahead and get us a half a cup of powdered sugar. This is a whole measuring cup, so I'm going to fill it about half full. That's about a half a cup right there. And we need 8 ounces of this, which is about a cup. Maybe I can just poke a hole in this way. Pour it out. All right, we need a cup. There's our cup of coffee creamer. And then you just whisk it together. Just like this. You all may have seen other people do this. You may have seen them do it with cocoa, powdered sugar, and powdered milk. There's just something about the Nestle Quik in this that makes it better, I think. That's just what we like the best. And our water's coming to a boil over there. All right, now then, while that finishes getting ready, I've got us some little white candy melts here. I'm gonna put these in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna get them melted and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with our chocolate. It's been melted. And I got these little wooden spoons. I found these at Hobby Lobby. Just little wooden spoons. Short. They're not very big. Okay? They're bamboo. And I'm just going to coat these spoons in this chocolate right here. Just roll them around and get them all coated. And these make a great little addition if you're going to give hot chocolate mix as a gift. And then we're going to coat them with our little sprinkles. I think these came in a pack. I've got 6, so they came in a package of 6. I'm just laying them right here on this tray. Now then, let's come in here with some of our sprinkles. And let's coat some of them. Let's see what other kind of sprinkles we have. I'm using the red and green ones because, oh, here's some green trees. Let's use those. All right, there you go. That's all there is to that. We'll let these harden up and I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, now let's make us a cup of hot chocolate. And you need 4 to 5 tablespoons per cup. And I'm doing 4 heaping tablespoons. My cup is a pretty good sized cup here. Oh, you all, and just as I get this made, guess what? It's snowing outside. It is, just as I finished up this hot chocolate. It has started to snow. Yes, it has. And then you add your water. However strong you want it. Okay? Oh, I can already smell it. It smells like my mama's. It does. Then what's a cup of hot chocolate without some little marshmallows? Gotta have some little baby marshmallows, right? And then, of course, we need a candy cane. Let's see if we can get it open without breaking it. No, you can't go out without shoes on. It's snowing. Starting out the door without shoes on, you all. Looky there. Now then, doesn't that look yummy? Look here. Doesn't this look yummy? Get us a thumbnail. Look at that. These are chocolate mint chocolate candy canes. And I always like to eat mine with a spoon. I know that's weird. But it's hot. Oh, that's so good, you all. So good. The best hot chocolate mix ever. So you all remember, our little things have not hardened yet. There's one that has. Look at there. Now then, how's that for a thumbnail? Is that cute? Beautiful, beautiful. For our thumbnail. All right. You all remember, as always, number 1, make you some hot chocolate because it's going to snow. And number 2, like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.